Good day, my name is Gampat and today we are in for next tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to download Wireshark and how to use Wireshark. So let's begin. First I'm going to open my text document here to get the website to download Wireshark, www.wireshark.org. So I'm going to copy this to make it a little more easier on myself. Right click, copy. I'm going to go to my internet browser, Mozilla Fox. I'm going to right click and paste my website here. I'm going to click enter, go into Wireshark. Now, so here we start to begin. We're going to download Wireshark. So I'm going to click on download Wireshark, right? And I'm going to install the 64-bit Windows 64-bit. You can install the Windows 32-bit, or if you got a Mac system, you install a Mac 64 or 32. I have a 64-bit Windows 7 operating system. If you want advice on how to install Windows 7, if you could watch my previous tutorials on how to install Windows 7. Okay, so I'm going to click on Windows Installer 64-bit. Okay, I'm going to save this file, and when I'm done saving this file, when this file is done save, I'm going to install it and I'm going to be right back, right? So it's okay, so my file has been downloaded here. So I'm going to click next. I'm going to find your file which you have previously downloaded on downloads, or if you have selected desktop, you can find it there, right? So I'm going to click agree. Wireshark plugins here. I'm going to click next again. I always create a desktop icon so it makes it easier for me to just find it on my desktop so I could be able to use it. So I'm going to click next again, and this is where your file will be located on C, and I'll click next again and continue click by clicking install. I've already installed Wireshark, so we're going to move on to our next phase here now, right? So I'm going to go on to open my Wireshark, right? Right. So first of all, I'm going to go to capture interfaces, basically show you my interfaces here. So I have Microsoft interfaces, right? The one with the IP addresses is usually your interface card, and that's the one you really want to capture. It basically has a coding on it, as you can see, FE8D9SE6EF2, a coding on it. So you just click on it and you'll see your IP address pops up, and basically this is telling me what packets is moving through my IP address right now. So I want to start to capture my packets here, so I'm going to click on start, right? Okay, so now we go on to my browser. I'm going to go to my browser. I'm going to open up my browser, Mozilla Fox. So I'm going to go on file, I'm going to go on options, and I'm going to show a blank page. Normally you see the blank page is already set up. Normally when you don't show a blank page, you want to show my home page, which is right now search.babylon.com, right? So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to close my browser, and you see this comes up, right? Search.babylon.com. So to take all this, so you can get a blank page, so you can use your HTTP, because when this comes up, when this search browser comes up, packet starts to come through, and you don't want to do that. You want to start from a blank page so you could capture the first packet. So I'm going to select on you show a blank page. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to close it, and I'm not going to open back my browser again, and you see my blank page has come up. So I'm going to go on my text document again to get this site, www.httprecipes.com. So I'm going to copy this, copy, Gonna go on my browser here. Gonna go on my browser piece and select. Let me just drag this down. Put up my Wireshark. Right. So I'm gonna basically just be showing you the process here. Happens. Right. http recipes.com. I'm gonna go on capture. I'm gonna go on interfaces. I'm gonna select, this is my IP. I'm gonna click start, and I'm gonna go on my recipes here, and I'm gonna click enter. Right. So on clicking enter, you see my packets are flowing through. See TCP protocol. You're gonna see HTTP protocol. Right. All these are what are loaded to get our web page. This is our web page here, http recipes.com by heatonresearchers.com Inc. So now on clicking on our interface here, you're gonna see frame 1 internet 2 internet protocol version 6 user datagram protocol hypertext transfer protocol. So I'm gonna stop running live capture. I'm gonna go on expressions. Right, please do excuse the noises you hear on the background. I'm gonna go on HTTP. I'm gonna look for my filter. This is my filter. So this is my HTTP. I'm gonna click OK. Apply. You see filter. I'm gonna click apply, and all you can see is my HTTP packets that has been shown captured by Wireshark. So I'm gonna click on this. I'm gonna go down here to my hypertext. Okay, so right, so this is what I wanted to show you. This is my host www.heatonresearch.com. Right, request method URI version host user agent Mozilla Fox.50. That's my browser. Windows NT 6.1 on Firefox. Right, accepted image, accepted language is English, accepted encoding. Right, connection keep alive, and refer to www.http.recipes.com, and this is your full request of URI. Right, so on captioning my package HTTP here, you can basically see all the information that I got on this website. My browser, my image, my language, my encoding, my connection, my refer the website, and a full requested URL right here. Right, these are my images. So I'm gonna clear this now. I'm gonna show you how to do it by basically just typing in HTTP, and they're expecting a P. But if I remove the P and put just HTTP, it shows that there's an error through the filtering. Until you put in the P, you say alright, it's correct, and you click HTTP, and you will see your information coming up. So basically that's how you use your Wireshark. You're going to be using capture interfaces, and you're going to select find your IP address, which my one was Microsoft. I'm going to click start. Right, and once it starts, I'm going to go back on my website here. I'm going to connect on back to my web page here. Right, and as you can see, package starts to flow through. So if you want to pause this at a point in time just to capture something, you're going to click on stop the running live capture. Click on stop, and you could click on start a new one. You're going to show capture information. right? You got all this, yeah, right? And then this the available capture interfaces, right? You got all those. You have your expression here, your HTTP, or if you want to see your TCP, right? You have your TCP here. Whatever information you wanted filter out from your packets that you want to receive, what packets you want to see, you can use. Just do your filtering and get your packets. So basically, that's how you use Wireshark, and that's basically it. And thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you learn a lot and hope to see you again.